Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today I want to share with you no melt popsicle using agar-agar. I have leftover canned tangerine and I have orange juice in my fridge. That reminds me of very popular popsicle in Japan. To make it not to melt in the summer heat, I cooked juice with agar-agar. It also improves the texture that you can easily bite. Let's get started. Let's start with agar-agar. Agar-agar is a seaweed extract and is set liquid just like gelatin, but it makes very different texture. And the melting temperature is different. Gelatin starts melting at the temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. So the jelly uses gelatin melt in your mouth immediately after eating. On the other hand, agar-agar melts at the temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. So it doesn't melt either in your mouth and room temperature. And it needs to chew, so it's suitable for the fruit jelly set with fruit. You can find it at Asian grocery store, but be careful not to choose Japanese content. It's a different product and makes a different texture. The ratio to the liquid is different from product to product, so follow the package instruction. In this recipe, you don't really have to set the liquid because we eat frozen, so you can follow my recipe, whatever product you choose. Agar-agar powder is so fine, it's not easy to dissolve in the liquid. To make it easy to mix, we mix it with sugar, which has coarse grain than agar-agar powder. Mix well and add 1/3 of the liquid. Whisk well and transfer to a pot. Rinse the bowl with the remaining juice and then turn the heat to medium. Stir constantly and bring it to a boil. Turn off the heat immediately it reaches the boil. If you bring it to a rolling boil, it might not set well. Set aside while preparing the mold. Soak the popsicle stick in water for a while to prevent from floating. Put a spoonful of tangerine into the mold. Today I don't have enough tangerine, but I have golden kiwi. I add it on the tangerine. You can use any fruit you have on your hand. The good things about the agar-agar is not affected by the enzyme of the fruit. You cannot use gelatin like this. Transfer the liquid we have just prepared into the measuring cup and fill up to the edge. The liquid should be hot because, as I said, the agar-agar is set at the room temperature. If the liquid is cold, immediately set around the fruit when you pour it and it doesn't stick together. Leave it until it comes to room temperature and freeze it at least 6 hours to overnight. The next day is 30 degrees Celsius, hot and humid day. It's a good day to enjoy the popsicle. Take out and soak quickly into the hot water. Pull out carefully and there you have it. It's not hard, you can give it a bite so easily, and the fruit is also not hard because it's canned and contains sugar. You can arrange the fruit to your liking. It's such a nice, refreshing summer treat. Let me show you it really not melting or not. This is 5 minutes later. It looks like this. And this is 10 minutes later. It looks just fine. Before I realized that the agar-agar makes no melt popsicle, I was annoyed by the sticky wooden sticks. I highly recommend this idea for your kids' treat. At the last minute of the shooting, Alex broke into the working surface. He should learn this is not a good behavior, but he's only 5 months. I should try harder. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!